I am a higher school student and I can't study further due to lack of money. So, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos and watch my videos regularly. Also, kindly share my videos. By this I can get revenue and I can study further. Thank you.
Unveiling the haunting mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous aircraft and ships have mysteriously disappeared. It is a subject of fascination, speculation, and urban legends, capturing the imagination of people around the world. The triangle is loosely defined, with different sources outlining its boundaries, but it is generally believed to cover an area between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The history of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle can be traced back to the early days of exploration and seafaring. One of the most famous early incidents was the disappearance of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, in December 1945. The planes were on a routine training mission and were led by an experienced pilot. However, they vanished without a trace, and subsequent search and rescue missions also encountered difficulties, with one aircraft disappearing as well. This incident attracted significant attention and sparked the beginning of the Bermuda Triangle legend. Over the years, numerous other disappearances have been reported in the area. Ships and aircraft of various sizes and from different nations have seemingly vanished without leaving any wreckage or evidence behind. These incidents have included commercial flights, military aircraft, cruise ships, and small private vessels. Some notable examples include the USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy cargo ship that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 crew members, and the Carroll A. Deering, a 5-masted schooner found abandoned and adrift in 1921. The mysterious nature of these disappearances has led to various theories attempting to explain the phenomena within the Bermuda Triangle. Some of the most popular explanations include supernatural or extraterrestrial causes, such as the involvement of aliens or a gateway to another dimension. However, these theories lack concrete evidence and are largely based on speculation and sensationalism. Scientific explanations for the disappearances tend to focus on natural phenomena and human error. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its unpredictable and treacherous weather patterns, with the convergence of warm Gulf Stream waters and cool Atlantic currents creating intense storms and fog. These adverse weather conditions, combined with strong ocean currents, can make navigation challenging and increase the likelihood of accidents. Additionally, the area is home to vast expanses of deep ocean, which makes locating wreckage difficult, especially in cases where no distress signals were sent. Another factor that may contribute to the high number of disappearances is the high volume of air and sea traffic that passes through the region. With so much activity, the probability of accidents occurring naturally increases. It is important to note that the reported number of incidents within the Bermuda Triangle is not statistically higher than other well-traveled parts of the world's oceans. The perception of it being an unusually dangerous area may be due to the combination of its mysterious reputation and the extensive media coverage of disappearances. In recent years, advancements in technology have helped debunk some of the myths surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Improved navigation systems, satellite imagery, and real-time communication have significantly enhanced safety and reduced the likelihood of accidents. Ships and aircraft now have better monitoring and tracking capabilities, making it easier to locate and rescue vessels in distress. Despite these advancements, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the public's imagination. Books, documentaries, and movies have been dedicated to exploring the mysteries of the area, perpetuating the legend and keeping the fascination alive. The allure of the unknown and the inexplicable nature of the disappearances ensure that the Bermuda Triangle will remain an enduring enigma for years to come. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the North Atlantic Ocean that has gained notoriety due to the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It has gained notoriety due to numerous reports of unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. While the Bermuda Triangle has captured the public's imagination and has been associated with various paranormal theories, the history behind its mysterious reputation is more complex. The origins of the Bermuda Triangle's notoriety can be traced back to the early 20th century. However, it was not until the mid-20th century that the region gained widespread attention. The story of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that disappeared over the Triangle in December 1945, played a significant role in establishing the Bermuda Triangle as a mysterious and dangerous place. The disappearance of Flight 19 remains unsolved, and subsequent search and rescue efforts also encountered difficulties. In the years following Flight 19, other incidents occurred in the Bermuda Triangle that further fueled its reputation. One of the most well-known cases is the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in March 1918, a massive Navy collier ship that vanished without a trace with 309 crew members on board. The loss of several other ships and aircraft in the region during this time period added to the sense of mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. The popularization of the Bermuda Triangle's mystique can be attributed to the writings of author Vincent Gaddis. In a 1964 issue of Argosy magazine, Gaddis published an article titled, "The Deadly Bermuda Triangle," which recounted the various disappearances and introduced the term, Bermuda Triangle, to the public. Gaddis' article captured the imagination of readers and helped create the perception of the area as a site of inexplicable phenomena. Subsequent authors and researchers expanded on the Bermuda Triangle's legend, offering a range of theories to explain the disappearances. Some of these theories include magnetic anomalies, extraterrestrial activity, time warps, and underwater Atlantis-like structures. However, many of these explanations lack scientific evidence and are often criticized by skeptics. In contrast to the popular perception of the Bermuda Triangle as a death trap, statistical analysis suggests that the region's disappearance rate is not significantly higher than any other well-traveled area of the ocean. The U.S. Coast Guard and other official organizations maintain that the Bermuda Triangle does not possess any extraordinary hazard or danger. In recent years, advancements in technology and navigation systems have helped debunk some of the mysteries associated with the Bermuda Triangle. Improved satellite surveillance, accurate mapping, and better communication capabilities have contributed to a decrease in the number of reported incidents. While the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the public's imagination and remains a subject of interest, its historical reputation as a site of numerous unexplained disappearances is largely a result of sensationalism, media coverage, and the perpetuation of myths and legends. The real danger of the Bermuda Triangle lies more in its fictional portrayal than in any tangible threat. The mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle began to capture public attention in the 1950s when a series of strange disappearances were reported. Popular accounts often exaggerated the number of incidents and ascribed them to paranormal or extraterrestrial causes. However, a more rational and scientific examination of the phenomena reveals that the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly different from any other heavily trafficked area of the ocean. Several theories have been proposed to explain the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Some of the more commonly cited explanations include human error and mechanical failures. Many of the reported incidents can be attributed to human error, such as navigational mistakes, poor weather conditions, or mechanical failures. Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream, a strong ocean current, flows through the Bermuda Triangle. It is known for its swift and turbulent waters, which can potentially disorient inexperienced or ill-prepared pilots or sailors. Severe weather. The region is prone to sudden and severe weather changes, including powerful storms and hurricanes. These weather events can pose significant challenges and hazards to ships and airplanes. Methane gas hydrates. Some theories suggest that large amounts of methane gas trapped beneath the seafloor in the Bermuda Triangle can suddenly be released, causing disruptions in buoyancy and making it difficult for ships to stay afloat. Compass variations. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north line up. This convergence can create confusion for compasses, potentially leading to navigation errors. Despite the popular image of the Bermuda Triangle as an area of extraordinary danger and mystery, investigations conducted by various organizations, including the United States Coast Guard, have found no evidence to support the existence of any supernatural or mysterious phenomena. The reported incidents are often explained by known factors and are not statistically significant compared to other parts of the world's oceans. While the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture the public's imagination, it is important to approach the subject with critical thinking and consider the scientific explanations that have been put forth to understand the so-called mystery. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, has been associated with various accidents and disappearances over the years. While many of these incidents have been sensationalized and attributed to supernatural or unexplained causes, it's important to note that the Bermuda Triangle does not have a significantly higher number of accidents or disappearances compared to other well-traveled areas of the ocean. Here are a few notable incidents often associated with the Bermuda Triangle. Flight 19, 1945. This is perhaps the most famous incident linked to the Bermuda Triangle. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training flight. All 14 crew members were lost, and despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. USS Cyclops, 1918. This United States Navy cargo ship disappeared without a trace while en route from Barbados to Baltimore during World War I. The ship had a crew of 309, and no wreckage or evidence of its fate was ever discovered. SS Marine Sulphur Queen, 1963. This T2 tanker, carrying molten sulfur, disappeared with its 39 crew members on board. No wreckage or distress signals were found, and its exact fate remains unknown. Douglas DC-3, 1948. A civilian DC-3 aircraft, known as Flight NC-16002, vanished while flying from San Juan, Puerto Rico, to Miami, Florida. The aircraft had 32 people on board, and despite an extensive search, no remains or wreckage were ever located. Witchcraft, 1967. A cabin cruiser named Witchcraft, with its 2 crew members, vanished off the coast of Miami under calm conditions. The vessel was well equipped with safety features, making its disappearance particularly puzzling. It's worth noting that some of these incidents occurred outside the actual boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle, and the connection to the region is often sensationalized or exaggerated. Additionally, advancements in technology and improved safety measures have significantly reduced the number of accidents and disappearances in recent years. It's essential to approach the subject of the Bermuda Triangle with skepticism and consider scientific explanations, rather than attributing these incidents to unexplained or supernatural phenomena. Here are a few more points regarding the views of scientists on the Bermuda Triangle. Lack of statistical anomaly. Scientists often argue that the reported incidents in the Bermuda Triangle are not statistically anomalous when compared to other well-traveled regions of the ocean. They contend that the number of disappearances or accidents within the Bermuda Triangle is within the expected range based on the high volume of maritime and air traffic in the area. Investigative studies. Various scientific investigations and studies have been conducted to examine the alleged mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. These studies typically focus on analyzing historical data, weather patterns, oceanography, and other relevant factors. The majority of these studies have concluded that the incidents can be explained by natural phenomena and human error. Exaggeration and sensationalism. Scientists often point out that many stories and accounts of the Bermuda Triangle have been sensationalized and embellished, leading to misconceptions and a distorted public perception. Media, literature, and movies have contributed to perpetuating myths and mystery surrounding the area. Documentation issues. Critics argue that some of the disappearances or incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle lack comprehensive documentation or have been inaccurately reported. This can lead to a skewed understanding of the actual events and make it difficult to evaluate them scientifically. Natural explanations. Scientists propose natural explanations for incidents in the Bermuda Triangle, including rogue waves, sudden storms, underwater geological activity, and magnetic anomalies. These factors can potentially affect navigation systems, communication equipment, and cause accidents or disappearances. Safety measures. Increased safety measures, improved technology, and better understanding of weather patterns have significantly reduced the number of incidents in the area over time. This indicates that advancements in navigation and communication systems have contributed to minimizing risks in the region. Scientists generally approach the Bermuda Triangle from a skeptical standpoint, emphasizing that natural factors and human error can account for the incidents reported in the area. While acknowledging the navigational challenges and hazardous conditions that exist, scientists maintain that there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of extraordinary phenomena or supernatural forces within the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where several ships and airplanes are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. However, it's important to note that the Bermuda Triangle has been the subject of many myths and legends, and there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of any supernatural or extraterrestrial activities in the area. The disappearances often associated with the Bermuda Triangle can usually be attributed to natural causes, human error, or exaggerations and misinformation. Some common explanations for the incidents include human error and accidents. The area of the Bermuda Triangle is heavily traveled, and like any busy shipping lane or airspace, accidents and human error can occur. Poor weather conditions, navigational mistakes, equipment failure, and other human factors have been cited as potential causes of the incidents. Severe weather. The North Atlantic is known for its unpredictable and often severe weather patterns. The Bermuda Triangle falls within the hurricane-prone region, and powerful storms can suddenly arise, posing a threat to ships and planes. Geographic features. The Bermuda Triangle is characterized by deep ocean trenches and submerged islands, which can create strong currents, whirlpools, and undersea topography that may contribute to navigational difficulties or accidents. Sensationalism and mythology. The Bermuda Triangle has gained a reputation for mysterious disappearances due to sensationalized media coverage and the perpetuation of myths and legends. Some incidents have been embellished or distorted over time, contributing to the area's infamous reputation. It's worth mentioning that despite the popular belief that the Bermuda Triangle is an unusually dangerous place, the number of incidents that occur within this region is not significantly higher than in other well-traveled parts of the world's oceans. In summary, while the Bermuda Triangle has captured the public's imagination and generated numerous theories about its supernatural or extraterrestrial activities, there is no substantial evidence to support such claims. Most incidents can be explained by known factors such as human error, natural causes, or sensationalism.